Week number 5. What are you doing for this week? Well, let's find out. And by the way, the video will go right here. But let's go. Click. So obviously, for this week, you're not doing any vocab. Yay. I took that assignment out. Instead, we're doing something else. We will go back to vocab, though. First things first, you're going to do a Most Dangerous Game assignment chart, and you click on it, and it'll explain what you're going to do. Basically, you're going to look at Rainsford and Zaroff and analyze some of their personalities, some of their skills, abilities, and there'll be a little chart there for you, and you'll be looking for some textual references there, because that's going to help you with the next assignment, which is writing a two-chunk paragraph, and you're going to use the writing format that you used for your speak essay last year, which was a literary analysis essay. Topic, sense, concrete, detail, commentary, etc. You're just writing one paragraph. That's it. But you need to follow that format, though. And there's a video here. You can see it's kind of lengthy. Sorry, that kind of discusses how to do that if you need the review. And there's a document down here that you can't see, that is a document that kind of explains that. My hope is that that's review, but you might need to watch the videos anyhow to make sure that you're doing it correctly. Now, there's two reasons I want you to do this. One, I want you to dig into the characters a little bit. A Most Dangerous Game. Also, though, to practice the paragraph writing in the format style. We will go to this type of format when we write an essay over the novel we're about to read, which is called, come on, here we go. No. There we go. Which is, ta-da, Of Mice and Men. That's the novel we will read. And we will be then doing the two-chunk paragraph writing over that novel, similar to what we did for Speak. Okay. Now, on starting Wednesday, then, I'm going to have you do some pre-reading activities as some research. Then, specifically, you're going to be researching some elements of the Dust Bowl era in America, because the Mice and Men, the setting takes place during that time frame. And for us to understand the characters and their motivation, what's going on, we need to understand a little bit about that era. And if you click on this, it'll bring you to where you need to do. Please watch the video. It explains it. Down here talks about how creating Google Slides to do. Like you've seen this before, is for your outside reading, but again, it'd be good to review it because you are creating a Google Slides presentation when you do the Dust Bowl research. I give you exactly 2 days for that, though. Do I think it takes you 2 days or 220 minutes? No, I don't. But I wanted to not overload you. Okay, so because you do have to do a little bit of research, and then you have to read that research and then put it into the Google slideshow. Okay, so then Friday, what are you doing? So you're going to do some outside reading here. Again, I have these set up on autoplay just to make sure you actually watch them. So you got I want you to read for at least 100 minutes here, because I think it's going to take you about 10 minutes to fill out your outside reading reflection assignment. It's just a couple of simple questions that ask you about reading in general. Should only take you about 10 minutes. It doesn't pertain to your outside reading novel, so if you haven't even started that, you can still complete this, even although shame on you. But you have time here to read your outside reading novel. And remember, that's due at the end of the quarter, which is January the 22nd. Actually, the quarter ends on January the 29th, but your book report, it's not a book report. Google Slides presentation is due on the 22nd, because I need that week to actually watch all those videos and go through them and score them so that I can have final grades done for you. Okay, that's what you're doing this week.